just got into California. Welcome everyone to a new video. Today I will be showing you our family's adventures here in the Redwood Forest. Watch on to see our adventures. Where are we going?
We're gonna climb that rock.
And then try jumping off it?
And then I'm gonna push you off.
Okay. The cliff jumping was very fun and the water was so clear. This was probably one of the biggest cliffs I have jumped off, but it's one of the best. We started to head back to our van life to continue on with our adventures. There's a big tree here. Apparently there's going to be bigger coming up. And this is our first day in California again, and we're ready to explore. Not that we didn't start already, but yeah. The drive down the coast was extremely beautiful and foggy. Maybe a bit too foggy to enjoy the views, but we still loved the ride. The Redwood Forest has the biggest trees in the world. They make life look so tiny. It is a truly amazing sight to see. We're gonna go inside. You can find many of these trees that are hollow. This is because the insides usually rot down and leave the strong bark still standing. Many of these trees here cannot be surrounded by our whole family. They can easily need 10 to 20 people to do so. They are that big. The roots of these fallen trees are just so easy to climb on and run around. Max and I would spend some time around them as my parents would continue their walks. The greenery and life in this area is almost hypnotizing. It makes you just want to look and experience its beauty and peace for hours. We continued driving down south to look for a new place to explore in this big and beautiful park. We were just driving on the road and we see elk right there. My dad found a herd of elk just living their lives so peacefully behind the trees near the park. We went to the Ladybird Trail next to take in more of the park's peaceful and large trees. Daddy's trying to see if he can climb that tree. This is probably one of my favorite walking trails here at the park because of its foggy background, cool temperature, and quality of beautiful trees. As we drove out of the park, we saw a whole group of seals just chilling by the water. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more of our trip!